Right, hello and welcome back to another episode of Cars and Engineering. In today's episode I'm going to quickly show you this Ryobi deal I found on the actual website itself. They're currently running an offer where you buy a starter kit and you get a free tool. So this is the Ryobi website. You click on the shop now and it takes you to this screen here and it says receive a free tool. You go down to shop starter kits, and once that loads it sort of tells you like spend at least £100 and these are all the tools. Now it's the top left one here that I'm currently highlighting. It's £99.99. You get a drill, a torch and 2 batteries and a charger, and obviously the carry case as well. I thought that was a great deal, and obviously if you add it to your basket you get a free tool as well. But there are others on here you can choose from. There's like the drill with the actual jigsaw, there's a skill saw set, some gardening stuff. It's not really car related, but there's all these different starter kits. There's another one there for £99 or £100. It's like the washer sort of jet thing, or the actual sort of like scrubbing motion thing. There's some more kits down here. There's an impact gun, there's some sort of like drills and that, but the one I went for personally was the drill with the batteries and the torch, and then like you got a multitude of tools you can choose. You can use a top left hand sprayer to like spray the car when you're cleaning it. You got a new radio here, you got a little sander. All of these tools are free when you buy them with the kit. So there's a tire inflator there, there's a vacuum cleaner, there's a light, there's a leaf blower and a battery, but they're currently out of stock. But you can see there's quite a selection. You're getting quite a lot for your money. So literally it's £99. You click on the actual basket, you're paying £99 for this kit, and you're getting a free LED light for demonstration purposes, and your subtotal is £99 or 99p, and you get free shipping. So I don't know if this would be a good idea for someone in your life that perhaps needs a new drill to work on their car, work in a garage or the shed or whatever, but yeah, just thought I'd put it out there, let you guys know this deal is available. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Take care.